Hi there, welcome in this part. We are in KCSE 2018 and we have kind of a different form of a question whereby we have to borrow some knowledge from Form 2 work, and that is trigonometry 1. Alright, so we are told to evaluate sin 30 minus sin 60 divided by tan 60 without using a calculator or mathematical table. So it is now up to us to come up with what is sin 30, what is sin 60, and what is tan 60. So continue watching. We have something called a special triangle, and that's what we are going to use. So special triangles, we have two types. One of them is equilateral triangle, the other one is isosceles triangle. I want to demonstrate all of them. So we have the first one. Isosceles triangle, whereby we have each side being 1. The angles here are 45. And for us to get the longest side, that is the hypotenuse, we use the Pythagoras theorem. So we have 1 squared plus 1 squared is going to give us hypotenuse squared. So 1 plus 1 is 2 squared. So 2 is equal to hypotenuse squared. But now we cannot use the calculators. So we have to leave our answer in form of square root of 2. So that's how we get the other side of the type 1 of the special triangle. So from this one now we can have sin 45, cos 45, and tan 45. So from the SOHCAHTOA, we can have all this. But now since we are in our question here, we are looking for sin 30, sin 60, and tan 60. We cannot use this triangle. So this is type 1 of the special triangles. But now I'm going to use the second type of the special triangle, and that is the equilateral triangle. The equilateral triangle, I'll demonstrate it here also. I'll demonstrate it here. So we have each side being 2 and all angles are 60. This one is also 60, but now you can split it into 2. We have angle 30 and the angle 30. Correct. So this part here is 2, so we can have side 1, 1, a total of 2, and the height from the Pythagoras theorem, 2 squared minus 1 squared, we get root 3, and that is the height. And this is type 2 of our triangle. That is a special angles. And these are the angles now that we are going to, this is a triangle that we are going to use to enable us answer that question. So from here now, from SOHCAHTOA, so means sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan means tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So so we have sine 30. From our question here we have sine 30. So in reference to this angle here, sine opposite over hypotenuse, which is going to be half. Sine 60. In reference to this angle here, opposite is root 3 over hypotenuse, which is 2, sorry. And we have tan 60. Tan 60 from this one, opposite over adjacent, so we have root 3 over 1. So now, replacing all these values on our question just the way they are, so we have half minus root 3 over 2, everything divided by root 3. This is how the question looks like. So now we proceed with our normal way of solving the Surds. So we multiply by root 3 divided by root 3. That is after multiplying both the numerator and the denominators. So when we take this one, multiply by half, so we have root 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Everything divided by 3. Root 3 times root 3 is equals to 3. So here now we cannot put the like terms together since on the numerator part we have root 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. But now we can eliminate the fraction. This also means it is root 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2, everything divided by 3. Okay, so this also means that we have root 3 divided by 2 minus 3 over 2, everything times, this one is over 1, times a third. Alright, so meaning now we can multiply this one by this one and we get root 3 over 6 minus 3 over 6. And this is our answer. I hope you have understood what we have done. And in case of any question, drop a comment, a question in the comment section. Thank you.